This is the Curious Cat Club deck of cards by Stasia Burrington. I'm just now noticing these neat little drawings. Okay, so I got this. I meant to look this up. I've had this for like a few months. But anyway, I got sick around Christmas time, and then I just got distracted with other stuff, and I haven't opened this yet. So now I'm finally opening it. Oh, okay. It is wrapped inside. I found this because of Mikey's tarot. Okay, so this is cool. We have a ace. Okay. Yeah, we got keywords. Okay. that's kind of funny. Oh, how to use. Okay. All these cards have been used when playing cards. You may also use this as an intuitive means for self-reflection or to guide new point of view. You may interpret these cards however you like or use the meanings provided here. Think of prompts as cones. Think of prompts as cones. Starting points. Okay. Learned a new word. Shuffle, meditate. Cardstock feels kind of nice, actually. It's yeah, not bad.
Okay.
So for our sample message, I'm using my spiral spread again from the Moonchild. It's a, I don't know, spread I kind of like. So where we stand. Okay, 2 of clubs. Which, now this says Trailblazer facing fear. I think clubs are wands, so it'd be kind of a 2 of wands card. Okay. Ooh, what is stirring in our heart? What is stirring in our heart? Okay. I don't know. 8 of diamonds is my birth card, so it kind of sticks out to me, and I'm kind of tired of it. so because it's just, I don't know, it just makes me think of work. So, okay, 3. Okay, our higher teachings. What are our higher teachings that want to come through? 10 of Diamonds. Preparation. Okay, yeah, according to this, the 10 of Diamonds. The Hiker. Preparation, first steps. That's the higher teachings. Okay. 4. What are we shedding? What are we getting rid of? Queen of Diamonds. Oh, this is odd. Okay. The Queen of Diamonds here is a mycologist, richness and decay. Now that's, I don't know. We have to think on that one. 5. Where we need more grounding. Where we need more grounding. Six of Hearts. 6 of Hearts. Transience and celebration. Okay. 6. Where our journey is taking us. Where our journey is taking us. Five of Diamonds. Okay, here is games, play, childish pleasure. Because I think, I mean, in tarot, that would be 5 of Pentacles, which, I don't know, it's not the greatest card. And then, for our bottom of the deck, for grins, just as a bonus thought, this is the Ace of Spades there. So yeah, Archer, focus, intention, and ease. So that'd be Ace of Swords, I guess. Okay, so I had to think a little bit. First, I recognize this is the Ace. I was thinking 2 of Clubs, so I guess I saw the 2 Bs. But this is the Ace. And it is industry, focus, and teamwork. I also started seeing that there isn't. Yeah, I feel like these are their own meanings. And I realized I should really just stick with these meanings and not think of the tarot. So where we stand is this industry, focus, and teamwork. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say about that, but so next though is what is stirring in our heart. Okay, and I looked at this again, and it's competition and button mashing. So I just thought of this as just like comparing ourselves to others, and just getting like wrapped up in just how we measure ourselves to others, which is not something you want to get caught up in. And then 3, the higher teachings that want to come through. The Hiker here, preparations and first steps. So like for me, I get ahead of myself a lot. So this tells me to remember to not get so far ahead in my head and try to feel like everything has to happen at once. And here, this Queen of Diamonds here, what are we shedding? This was interesting. I looked up the mycologist, and that is like someone that studies fungus. And so I mean, it's cool because we're getting rid of just things that are rotting. Because like me, like yesterday, I've been getting this message of, like I read in my Asking It Is Given book. It's taken me forever to read this, but it's just this, I get so much junk around me, and because I get so distracted. Well, so yesterday I packed up all of my oil paint stuff. I packed up all my canvases. And this table here, this is a big table. It's been in my bedroom, and it had all my paints and everything on top of it. But now I packed all that up. I moved this table into my living room. So now I have all this room in my, I'm in a small 1-bedroom apartment, you know, so it's not like I'm in a house or anything. So now I have all this room in my bedroom, and this table is in my living room. And so it's just an idea of getting rid of clutter, and I know that would help me. It's just I keep putting it off. So I made a step yesterday, so that's good. I mean, I still have all the paints, but yeah, I mean, I guess I can do it sometime. But so that was kind of good though, to make that room and put all that stuff away. So yeah, getting rid of fungus stuff. This was interesting. Where we need more grounding. And this was, I learned this sakura is like a cherry blossom tree, and I thought, oh, okay, that makes sense with the little blossoms on the picture. Transience and celebration. So transience, I looked up, it's like a short term thing. So I took this as, I guess I'm taking this as that message of we're on a journey, and to just accept or take in our moments. Yeah, I guess just being more present and getting out of our head. At least that's for me, and it's always a message for me. So it's kind of getting a little annoying because I'm always having to remind myself to get out of my head, but I guess it's better than not reminding myself. And where it's taking us, this was another interesting thing. I learned some things from this deck here. This kendama here, this was another reason I liked that this was its own meaning instead of 5 of Pentacles. The kendama is actually this little hammer thing. It's a toy. Games, play, childish pleasure. So I take that as what we're doing now is a good thing. Focusing on our present moment and getting rid of old things, pacing ourselves. And also here with this, with the focus, intention, and ease. So to me, for me, lately I've been thinking like, okay, well, have some intention behind what I do, like anything I do, like maybe not waste a lot of time instead of mulling around aimlessly like I do a lot. I need to just do something. So like yesterday, putting all that stuff up, it was just something. It was a change, you know. So I felt good about that. So Well, I hope there was a message in there. The more I looked at these, this little insert here, I really like these cards. I'd like to use these more often. So, and I'm kind of surprised I don't see them a lot. When I ordered it, it looked like these came from overseas. So, I don't know. Maybe they're just in the UK. But anyway, I enjoyed these. Thanks to Mikey's Tarot for sharing these. I don't know how loud that buzzsaw was. And I realized my window is open. So I thank you for watching, and should have some more videos coming soon.